It's just I went on the road. I feel like people think that this is revealing. I feel like this looks normal. I just wish I wasn't taking the bus. I wish I was driving. Because this is so cute. But not for walking. But welcome to the vlog. I've had my period do some very horrible, horrendous things, but it's a new law. I feel like my body is shutting down. I'm so tired. It's just wrong. It's wrong. Why does my vagina have to bleed so often? And I'm only assuming it's my period because the period been due. Mama said to us, I'm she coming on. And she been due, she been due. And I know my front can't bleed, so cleanse. There's another thing too, goddamn. Like never yesterday, me eat something, and yesterday me eat something. So as my almost me am something. No calm, no quench. Belly you, belly she. I can't even hold you. I'm happy this morning. Even though I'm sick, I'm happy this morning because all things work together for your good. And when I say these scriptures, it's not because I'm there and I understand and I'm experiencing it in its fullness, so I can tell you. None of that. I see that as a reminder to myself when I'm editing these vlogs. All things work together for your good. Every single thing that's happening is happening for a reason. People say karma, I say Jesus. It happened for a reason. People say karma, and then the Bible says where you sow, where you reap. And the principle of reaping is that you're going to get more than what you sowed. Not so reaping, girl. Because you can't plant one mango seed and get just one sort of mango. No. You get a one next tree full of mango. So just imagine where the people. Now where you feel like a life curse. That the seed them where you sow. And I know for now go real obeah man. Real obeah man. I'm sorry for no kind of dark blood cleanse, you know. Everything so them demon they not find them here, yeah, they're mad man. Them unruly here, them worse than unruly, and them coin the phrase. Brother, God keeps them in check, man, nigga. God keeps them in check, bro. Them what? Careful, me I talk to Smaddy. Careful. And the money we all have borrow and the for just forgot other man. Careful, but I'm feeling really good this morning. It's just an amazing feeling to be loved. To be loved. To feel love from people. Yeah, that is amazing. And from people that you least expected. That's amazing. I am so sick. Jesus Christ. What do I say? I saw my body that could come down. My body could come down and it is not weird. I don't know what, but I feel like every time I see my prayer, my body has some kind of horrible physical reaction. Like last month was. What do you have last month for my period? Can't remember. What? Yeah, this. I figured my period was about to start, because, like, I'm not. Every time I get sick, my son and I really get sick. But that's just because it's just true. I just hope my body normalizes. Harp on normalize, because this is how I think, right? You know how they say you have to put something in the body to fix something that's in the body. I didn't put anything in my body from his side to my period twice a month. So it stands the reason that I didn't put anything in my body for it to stop. Right? I don't know what that's called, but I didn't put anything there So I'm not going to put anything there to take it out because you never did anything. What the shit? Yeah, there's like some early morning, like banger one. Um, and I know you probably don't see this much on people's vlogs, but where I live, yeah, like them something happen. I don't know, I'm not gonna say it feel normal or don't feel normal, but it really doesn't bother me because like, people have disputes. As long as that my children are fine, mommy, grandma fine, I'm fine. If you come here to look for me, yeah, you're fine, I'm fine, isn't it? So, but apparently it's an ongoing issue in the community, and I didn't even know that that was an issue. So I don't think I know you guys are hearing because my phone's audio is crap. But I hear records and like fight up one and stuff. When I go outside, me see somebody hold back somebody and they're related and the person has a history of mental health issues. And they've been institutionalized, and with being institutionalized, the individual threatened their caregiver, saying that if you send me back, when I come back, I'm gonna kill you. And that's something that the individual is capable of, I'm told. So, you know me, I'm thinking, because the ears say when police get called, the individual calm on the police kind of start act out again. So in my mind, always resentment towards the mother, because whatever she does, the mother has to clean up. So that's where my mind goes immediately. What's the cause? If you're that cognitive, what's the cause and why are you doing this seemingly deliberate? Because you are seemingly under control when another authority figure enters the environment. But when your own authority figure is in the environment, there is no recognition for that person. So that's how I think, and that's how I deal with my boys as well. Like, but why would you do that? But Jonathan, you have to think. I force him to think. He gets annoyed with me when I force him to think. When I rough with my boys them, or when I prove to them, say them don't spoil. When I prove to them, say listen, you think differently, and that's something where you're probably not get punished for. You're not going to be loved for it. But it's a mindset that you need to cultivate, because you will not think like a traditional human being, because we're not traditional human beings. And thinking traditionally, it leaves no room for growth. Thinking traditionally leaves no room for excitement, for spontaneity, for love, for feelings. It doesn't. When you think traditionally, you are trying so hard not to make those mistakes. Trying so hard to not to make those mistakes becomes the only thing that you see. And when you drive, though, whatever you focus on, they say you go. And that's what the Bible says. But yeah, they feel as if there is some family tension, and she's been holding the child back, the mother, and the child is a big ass woman, by the way, either my age or older than me. Big ass woman. Mother can't manage. And then I was thinking, I suppose it was the boys. And for me, that don't, you know how they say love covers a multitude of sins. I fully believe that because of how I love the boys, they interact differently with people. Because certain things just not reach them because they've been exposed, but I love them beyond it. It's difficult for Jonathan to tell me like, one, we can know, two, him now want to lose my respect. Why does he want to lose my respect? Because I respect him. And I do make the, I draw the, I make the connection. So when him do something, I make the connection. Well, Jonathan, so if I do something, say, well, mommy, you never saw so, and I say, yeah, that's because I'm your mommy. And as adults, we can choose. So right, when I tell to do something, and they don't want to, that's fine, because that's fine by me, as his mommy. If I ask him to do something, he says no, that's fine by me, because I can go do it myself. In that moment, I'm not looking to teach him a lesson on obedience to satisfy my ego. That makes sense?
So you might be saying, but Lyric, if I send him something for go fit in my picnic, yeah, because that's what you did. And look how well you turned out, eh? Yeah. Big shot lawyer. Yeah? No, you're not? Okay. Well, let's just leave me to mine and you do you. And remember, some of them from them band. So this one our come prayers. It's been very thought out. I'm in pain. My tummy pain really badly. I'm hungry. Take care of Jonathan to school. I'm so bloated. I'm hella bloated. I'm so gonna be really struggling today. I completely messed up on editing in today's video. Today is the 26th, and the video tutorial goes live tomorrow. Today is a vlog. I might make the tutorial go live today and then make tomorrow but the vlog, because I have to. There's a part that I just saw that's so strange. I already upload to YouTube. I have the thumbnail and everything, but like jelly. I mean, I'm draws in that video. Jonathan have on a shirt. I'm like, oh shit, I have a lot of editing to do. So I'm gonna have to re-edit that entire last footage where I did the clothing haul from Shop Kawaii where I come in. But no, I'm gonna look for some coffee because you know I'm never empty this from yesterday because it's needed. Never empty from yesterday.
Them kind of look like lizard.
That can you mean the iguanas that can
Turn invisible.
yeah, not turn invisible, but they can mimic their background. So if the man on a wall or like on something like on the ground here, so we never can see them because them can look like the ground itself.
Yeah, but we might see body because your eyes have good sense of looking.
That's true, Papa.
So we might see body, but we won't really see how it look. We just like might see tail and that.
So the sun is behind me, so I forgot to walk back away. So the only thing I don't like about doing my lashes, I have to always do my lashes because this eye always finish before this eye. I don't know if I overwork that side of my face. I over blink the eye here. But every time I lash the eye here she but it's normal, it's natural. It's natural. Because I don't know how our body works, but like one side you recognize either them say your face asymmetrical or some shit. It's just how it is. And I would always, not always, but I've thought about it. Say, yo, why God makes certain things? Or make it him have the protocol, him have the design for it. You see me? Because certain things you never create any pain receptors for them. Something that's something I think. You see me? So I say, if God, shit, I feel so freaking out of breath. Excuse me, it's not even funny. I didn't know say I get sick and I come and say, what the freak I get cold from? And I did mash him up like I affect my body and something. Not my coffee now. I'm trying to not back up here. Oh my god, my energy, you guys. Yo. I'm tired of Fred. Brother. No, bro. I really hope I'm in frame because when I do the wide shots, I get half shit. I put the pot up of the sugar and the sugar I need for going now. Post stroke. I'm gonna cut my put it right. I say. All of you know, yes, I this one there. I like when more coffee sweet. Yo, this music, they say about it now. Come on. But this music, God.
Zombie! Oh my god! No! Zombie! No, there's no milk for cereal. What else do you want? No, there's no milk for cereal. So what else do you want? Oh, just a cereal alone. Yeah, milk finish.
I want milk.
Milk finish.
Lebe
is here.
I want cereal.
Listen to me. The milk done. You want the cereal with the milk?
No.
You just want sauce? You just want... You just want cereal alone?
Yeah.
Come. I'm coming.
Please.
I'm coming. Maybe I should kiss.
No.
Yes. You're a zombie. You're a zombie. No tongue. Stop, Jal. No, stop licking off my face. No tongue. Calm down. Ow.
What happened?
My belly. Ow, you're in my belly, Baba. You can rub my belly for my please. You're hitting it. Just rub it for me, please. You're kissing it. Just rub my belly, please. Don't kiss my belly, just rub my belly.
It's my birthday. Of course it's your birthday. Why don't we have one of these if it wasn't your birthday? A birthday cake! Wait, where are my presents? Oh, one thing at a time. But you have to have presents before the cake. And games before the presents. Yes, all of that.
I really want to thank you guys genuinely for supporting me again with SMILEBRIGHT. This is good. Hold on, Papa. This is really good. Jal, can you stop, please? Hold on. I'm so grateful for you guys. So remember the last vlog, I told that I need to sell 150 cakes. Okay. No, I'm going to wipe your bottom. I'll do it. I'm still not feeling well. You finish? Alright then, hurry up. I'm right here, Jaleel. I don't want to come into the bathroom. I'm sitting down right here, so I promise, okay? I'm right here. Yeah, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, with SMILEBRIGHT. So, and then the one thing I keep on thinking about is that the belts. I wrote to the company, and they said that, because they told me 2 weeks ago, and they said that it should be in the country next week, but that again in the US. I wanted them to be in Jamaica before November, and that was the plan when she told me they would have been in. Anyway, so just keeping calm, and yeah, and Charlie's in the bathroom, and yeah, so it's SMILEBRIGHT, still 150 kits. That's over $1,000 because it's $7 per kit. I make them so I can buy the camera that I want. I'm going to buy the Sony ZV-E10 because I want a camera that has smoothing, but I'm gonna have to probably buy a new memory card. I had a 32 gig memory card I can't find, so I'm gonna buy a new memory card, class 10. I'm gonna buy a 60 gig, a 64. I'm gonna buy 264, and then I can go and use iMovie, but I want to use back Final Cut Pro. So I'm gonna see how I can figure that out. You finished the ticket? You have to hurry up. Oh, and I was saying this on my Snapchat, but I stop make the Snapchat. I go grow up my ear. I'm gonna take my go back a barber.
I not think I go back a barber because when anyone call color, him not there or I'm busy. And when I call Corey, him not there or I'm busy. So I go just grow up my ear. I not like when things stress me out. If it has stress me, I get a pause. I not like it. No lebe, no lebs. I'm sorry, Papa. You want a tea? Just take up a tea from right there, so. What's wrong? Sneeze. Yes? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Jeez. Excuse me. Blow. Oh, God. Oh, my God. No, I'm not going to help you. Do it yourself. Come up here, Sir Jaleel. Yes, don't go outside the black line, remember? Good job. Go. Color like this across. It's easier for you. Right. Careful, don't go outside the black line, Jal. Come down here, so now, and give some color right here, so the page is quite white. No, right here, so. Color right here, so it's white. Put yellow right here, so. Yes. Yes. Don't go outside the line. Good job. Come down here, sir. Come down here, sir. You have too much white spot. Come down here, sir. Color the whole of here, sir. Yellow. Don't go outside the line. Right here, sir. Right here, sir. Color right here, sir. Where my fingernail is. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Good job. Color down here, sir. Now look how you have the white space. Color down here, sir. Dong, yes, sir. Dong, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. Careful, don't go outside the line, man. The black line. Don't go outside the black line, Mr. Stay up here, sir. Alright, stop now. That should be enough. Alright, show me the short balloon. Which one is short?
Big one, not big one.
I know that's the big one, but which one is the short balloon? Okay, color the short balloon.
With the puppy off.
You want to pop it off? Why?
They're rude to me.
Who being rude to you?
Balloon.
Yes, you want me to pop it off because they're being rude to you.
Mommy.
Papa, come down. Look what you're doing. You just look all over the place. Look your song color, Jaleel. Color. Bro, stop going outside the black line. You're gonna make your work look messy. Come up here, sir, now. Come up here, sir. Yeah. Take your time, Jal. Take your time now, puppy man. Come down here, sir. Come down here, sir. See white space. Hold the crane a little bit better. Jesus God. Come down here, sir. Come down all the way down here, sir. Come down here, sir. Hold it now, Jaleel. Come down here, sir, and color down here, sir. Yes, sir, me say. No, you're calling outside the black line. Hold the pencil. Hold it properly. Come down here, Sir Jal. Don't look at me. Focus on your word. That's why I keep on going inside the line. You're looking. Come down here, sir, where the white space is. Right here, sir. Color right there, sir. Come up here, sir, a little bit more. That should be enough. Oh my God, we're going outside the line. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for your work. Yeah, 84, great. I would 75, perfect. You did really well today for your homework, and I'm extremely proud of you. You need to lie down. Alright, then you lie down. You want to sleep now? Yeah, me too. Yeah. Stop. Ew, mommy.
Oh, mommy. Mommy, what porridge?
You want porridge?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'll come. You want me to take a picture right here? Alright, come. Stand up then, Jalil, stop. Take a pose now, pose. Pose now? No, we can't go over there so go take no picture. You come and the people them all. Yes? You have to stand up right here. So, alright, yeah, go over there so and take the picture. Go on. And I don't, yes, take the picture right here. So don't take up anything. Take the picture. Oh, my boy. My boy. Yes, good job, Jal. Alright, done. Come now, come. You finish. Then picture the bird. Right there, so. Picture bird. Be yeah, be a picture we take a while ago, Jali. Swag it up. Come, man, step in the dirty, muddy water, dirty dirt. We are heading for Jonathan. I should probably take off my hat and make the sun beat me on my head top. No, like vitamin C. Give me an Angelina, I'm walking in the bush. So I spoke with Jonathan's teacher today. Finally met her. Remember, my dad told me to say, I'm gonna meet my teacher, my son's teacher. I'm gonna know what she look like. No, the teacher I met today is not the teacher I met weeks ago. Come there for Jonathan early. I'm there have work. I'm there for go film early. I want different team. Do not put it out there. Good job. Good job. Yeah, and I never she the cam come give me. So I said, who are you? I'm like, you're his teacher. She said, I'm like, no, you're not at all, lady. At all, lady. She's like, no, I'm his teacher. I'm like, what? But whenever you they carrying to me, I say, so I me hate that school here. I'm gonna tell her, I say, no, because when she attacked, she kept on saying, mother, calm down. And I said, I'm sure you're okay with. I'm sure you've dealt with irate parents before. Because when because the things that Jonathan said to me concerning stuff, I haven't said it to you. Because I don't want to get anybody in trouble. So I relayed those things to her. And she explained everything from a teacher's perspective, which I understand, and I understand from my son's perspective. I'm not the parent that's going to believe an adult before my child. Because I'm that parent who didn't raise her child to believe an adult before her own child that came from her vagina. I'm going to believe my one first because in me raised. I'm more familiar with his tells. I know when he's physically uncomfortable. That's my boy. So when an adult, so when the two of them in the same space, I'm watch them body language, I'm say, oh, I react when she attack me. I say, oh, you not telling a lie, she not telling a lie. I'm understand what she say. And then pitting there, them it rough for true, so I get it. So now she understands where I am coming from as a parent. And to make matters worse, you might think it's good, but it's worse. She knows me as Lyric. Come to know what Jonathan is gonna tell me one day and Lyric not gonna matter. But yeah, so we spoke and I feel so much better. I feel like an ease, even picking him up, like thinking when I think about, because that's how I live my life, I think a lot. So I think about so for tomorrow, I'm think about today from tomorrow from today. I'm gonna wear, I'm gonna make up my think about them something, especially if I'm gonna film, I have to pre-do everything. So filming for me, it's not just turn on the camera and do. Especially I have to do a tutorial. I have to take a lot of things into consideration. A lot of things that I can say on here that I have to take into consideration. For years I've been saying all I have to do is take up my camera and film. It's not that difficult. It's just vlogging or it's just documenting your life. And while that might be true, there are days where I cannot document anything because there is no good thing to document. So during those times I keep to myself. At the times where you see me surface and speaking on things that you may deem as unimportant, or I'm still holding on to it or whatever, it is at that moment where I'm strong enough to talk about it, where I am sane enough. When I say sane, I mean I'm better than I was before. It still affects, but I'm better than I was before when I was quiet. Now that I'm speaking, it is way more comfortable to me than I thought it was. You get what I say? So speaking to her, gave me peace of mind that the institution could never give me. Never, ever, ever give me. And just how they treat parents is very ridiculous. And I said to her, I say, you know, sir, first me I meet you. First me I meet her. First. And she asked me for number for WhatsApp. And I said, no man, I have a foreign number for WhatsApp. And she say, yeah, give it to me. But my mommy number in the WhatsApp group already. So I don't want to send my number in there. 1, 2, you can't talk in the group. That's counterproductive. So if I see her again, or if we cross paths somehow, which is unlikely unless I request an audience, it's counterproductive for me to be in a group where I have no voice. You get me? So that's something I'll never join. I figure if I have to interact with her, I speak with her individually. But then even with interacting with her, it's not like say me I call on her phone. I write a note. I only call her when I'm at the gate. I'm not call them Jalin teacher phone either, because I understand teachers and other parents not understanding boundaries. So even though me have a bag of things for my chest for talk about, I understand a certain parents not a boundary. And certain parents probably not have the outlet to me. Me can talk to Uno and help my cause. Me can talk to man, me can talk to mommy and mama, and everybody's like, Simone, calm down. Yeah man, free that them in a sense. Either way, I can express myself. Maybe they can't, and maybe that's what they have to do. Who am I to judge a parent's reaction or response when it comes to that institution? Oh, God, I'm not well. Shit, man. And I'm facing this huge crisis right now. Like, I don't know what else to do when like something else is happening that is just, I don't know how to fix this.
A lover myself, yeah.
That one is a lover.
This. No, a different way now. A different way, but no way.
Little more what?
This.
A little more what?
This. That's one. Not anymore, that's one.
I want more than one. I want a lot.
No, that's one.
No, but I want a lot of kisses. Please.
No.
Okay, one. One kiss.
Yeah,
Big kiss.
Yes.
Yes.
Big
Big kiss.
One.
One.
Mom, I might get the cycle on today.
I know what you're thinking. Ew, she's sick. He made me sick. Jelly was sick and then sick me out because all I've been doing is just taking care of him and Jonathan. Like, no, I understand when parents say certain things like about them and like how they feel about their child. Like, no, I have to say this for the child. Like, I'm like, how could you forget yourself? Like, no, I understand how you could forget yourself. It's just that resources are spread too thin, and sometimes what you want is just sacrificed, and you just have to just think about them. And I don't think it's something that should be lauded as being a good parent or, oh, such a great parent. No, it's just life. It's our friends. You know? I tell you now, like the whole of our dog. The whole of it. Look at the destroyer powder they put your back. No tongue.
Path in life, and it's just a never-ending, consistent journey. And I feel I found peace and happiness, and just accepting being me. I'm not trying to be anyone else. I don't want to be anyone else. I'm happy that I have my sanity and peace.
So, Liz said some real things in that video. I'm going to try and not let the son of the fan affect this part of this vlog, but Yeah, she said, you know, like you basically have to move with the times for and this is like a content creator kind of break now. Excuse me, you have to move with the times, isn't me? But then, brother, I'm gonna pre to them. But I pre the months. Oh my God. I look upon the maths and I say, so when we did just start YouTube, brother, it was never about being the it girl, being the whatever. It was never about that. First of all, it was just shocking to see people sharing anything on the internet. But we decided how to educate and not entertain. Because there's a difference. My era of YouTube is educating. This era of YouTube is entertainment. On my channel, when you come here, you're being edutained. There has to be a mashup because of this individual. For Liz, she has never been the type to share her life. Like her life. And Liz is a legit OG. Liz is somebody I've never met, but I've fallen in love with over the internet. I've spoken to her, like I can talk to her. That's just God, man. She's just such a lot of these people that you guys don't even know of that are stalwarts in this YouTube community, bro. Goldie Starling, first of all, she's white, so probably half of you don't know her. But if you don't know Goldie Starling, then you are not into makeup. I said it. Made you look? No, let me say not into makeup. Sorry, that's harsh. Then you didn't watch YouTube like the way I thought you watch YouTube. Yeah. Made you look. Goldie Starling. What is that guy's name? It name starts with a P and he's a drag queen. Oh my gosh. And he did like the best. He even did a talking video. He did the best makeup videos, but he was always so damn sarcastic, and that made me, what is his damn name? Oh, Christ alive. Christ alive. I can't remember his name. But yeah, all him is me. Like those people they're so firm in the makeup community. Is it missing out being back on YouTube? I'm not saying I found a way to mesh the two, but it's just how I am. I hate procrastinating. I hate waiting, and I like to move. If you want me to move, then I'm alright. So now I recognize. I was just laying there watching Liz, and I was like, wow, this is like old years ago lyric. And I said something to my partner the other day. I'm like, yo babe, it feels as if like this Dover is way more than I thought it was. Because all these opportunities I could smile bright with shades by girl, and the only thing that hasn't come back for me is that the hair companies, like they're not reaching back out to me. But POMIFITNESS, Pomi by Lyric, Pomi lashes, the brushes, the belts, the lashes. It's like it's being it's a redo for me. Because the years the cankerworm has stolen, Daddy said he's going to restore. The years worm has eaten. The years the cankerworm has. It's that that's in the King James. You're so gross. Y'all ain't got no more. Ew. Joel 2 verse 25. And I will restore you to the years that the locust hath eaten, the cankerworm and the caterpillar and the palmer worm, my great army which I sent among you. Whoosh. Why people talk about the scripture is like a one good something? Joel chapter 2. No, to blood cleanse. Look how me I forgot look up Joel chapter 2 to write it. Oh shit, my sneeze. Sorry. So Joel chapter 2 said, Army of Logos, blow the trumpet and sound the alarm. You know that song that my holy mountain, sound the trumpet in Zion. Sound the alarm. Well, I'm not gonna read it. Yeah, that's not my experience with him. When him say things like return to me, come back to me, it's not like come on, man, the deaf, and if I want me, I call it. Come on, man, the deaf, if I want me, I call it. First of all, you're the one that left. I think we always we misread. We don't. I'm not gonna say that we don't read between the lines because it's the Bible. There's no lines to read in between, sir. But you have just not been reading it. And the people who have been explaining it to you on a Sunday or on a Saturday, they have not been reading it. It's been regurgitated information again. Prime example. I just read it. Please let me can find it back. Oh, I can just Google it. It says rend your heart. So in Jamaica, where I say render your heart and not a garment. Render your heart. But here in Joel chapter 2 verses 13, it says rend your heart and not your garments. Return to the Lord your God, for he is gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and abounding in love. And he relents from sending calamity. He is gracious and compassionate. Define rend. Look what this one of beauty in the Bible. I never intended to turn of beauty in the blood of the Bible. Rend means tear into pieces. Holy Spirit. That's why we're not obedient, Lord. This is too much. Do you know what it is to have a broken heart? Why is God telling us to rend our hearts and not our garments? Why? What could be the language back then that would say rend your heart and not your garment would make sense? Because to rend is to tear. So why are they, thank you Holy Spirit, quick to tear their garments? They're quick to tear their garments because on the outside, when the garment is torn, it's a sign of sorrow, repentance, remorse. I'm going through, I'm being holy. Don't look at me right now. I'm doing this for Jesus. So they rend the garments but not their hearts. My God. I never did know how I know. I just start talking. I'm telling them skin out to Jesus. And that I think people understand. So I talk loose, I'm worse than that with God. Alright? That's one. 2. I know when I am separate from him. I know when there's no disconnect. Right? 3. What makes me ebb and flow, go back and forth, it is my anxiety. Why do I have anxiety when I know for a fact that God is God? I talk too damn much. So now I'm a silent ass bitch just focusing. So it looks as if I am just focusing on the bag. Nah, bitch. I'm focusing on the creator, ho. Because I want to be like Jesus, there, here, everywhere. And I almost said I want my faith to grow, but I always want more faith. Who doesn't want more of anything? But my concern right now is pure self-reflection and what the hell is going on right now. That's just where I am. And I'm not encouraging you to be there, but I self-reflect every single night. Sometimes during the day, I assess my morning, how I handled it. The boys, if what I'm doing wrong, am I parenting them out of fear? Am I parenting them out of an active decision not to mimic their father or not to treat them as their father? I think about things that I can't say, but it's every day for me. I assess because I want to be a better person. I assess because I am a mother to 2 boys. And the truth is, if they fail, I'm going to be the one that's blamed. I'm sorry for getting emotional. But if they fail, I'm going to be the one that's blamed. Do you know why? Because I'm Lyric, because I'm Simone. And it would seem as if I have the strongest personality of the two. It would, and I'm saying it would seem as if because I'm the one that everybody fears the boys being like. Him loud like you, him not business like you. Like I'm the one. If something should happen negative to them, I'm the one that they're likened to. They're more compared to. Because I'm not take shit. Living like me is not good for anybody. And I'm living like me because how I was taught to live, meaning how I see other people live and them survive, that just never fit me. Someone will make for sit on one place, someone will make for on a 9 to 5. I feel like the more I was understanding that about myself, the more I was being quieted and silenced. Because now looking back, I recognize these same adults because they're not doing it in my adulthood. And I have severed ties. I'm not that teenager you think I am. And I'm not saying this because I'm a mother. No, I'm saying this because you've lied and I know that you're a liar. So why would I? Come on now. What if I say I represent Jesus? I move like one big dirty stinking drunker. Oof, respect you and me. Not me. I have a lot on my plate that I am managing. I'm gonna realize that so much until I start the vlogs, and then I was like, crap, I need a break from vlogging. That's crazy to me. That's crazy to me to think I need a break from vlogging because I can always find content. This is Simone you're talking about. I'm always finding content, and I recognize the reason why I'm no just like head down focus, like with Smile Bright, with YouTube, with the vlogging. Like I'm just like I'm going to vlog every day, which means I need to put I need content to fill up these everydays in November. That is keeping me mentally focused. That is keeping me thinking, what else can I create? That stimulates me. It gets my juices flowing, sorry. It moves me. And that is why I'm doing it, because and I battled the depression while doing this, and that's why I'm going to do it again. But come and do it this month. And I didn't give up and I didn't stop midway. I did it. This is day 26. This is probably day 28 vlog. I don't know. This is day 26. I have like 3 more days. This is day 28. 29, 30, 31. I have 3 more days. And I'm going to do some story times. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. And I want to do a beauty and the Bible. That's like 3 videos all in one. But it's a recording time now. And I have the boys this weekend. So let's see how that goes. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I think I have enough footage. And I really want to see if I can get back into Final Cut Pro. But I will not stress myself out. I'm going to go back into Final Cut Pro when I buy the camera. And the other guys told you my plan for the camera and everything. So my SMILEBRIGHT link is in the description for you guys. And yeah, I'm going to say it. No, I'm not going to say it yet. I have something to tell you guys about POMIFITNESS, but later on in another vlog. When it comes up to Megan, and I'll know if I should say it or not. But this is the end of the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I really hope I was in like a good frame this entire time because I was talking long. Yeah, thanks for your support, and thanks to all my new subscribers. Like, whoa. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. So yeah, bye guys.